Hey friends, welcome to my life. We are in Hochheimer Markt. Hochheimer Markt is one of the biggest pre-Christmas markets, and we will show you this today. And this is my best friend Oliver Kagas. So enjoy this video. Okay, so friends, welcome to my life. I'm Joey, living in near Frankfurt and Wiesbaden in Germany. My life is
Frankfurt, Wiesbaden.
And if you don't know me, please subscribe me for more videos. And my best friend Oliver, but he's speaking Tagalog.
Oh, really?
Tagalog is from Philippines.
Yeah.
And my channel is more for German and English-speaking persons, but don't worry, I also can't speak English, so
He's trying his best.
we try our best, and I'm still a little bit shy. Würde ich bald jetzt sagen.
Good thing you don't need to pay. It's free.
Yeah, I didn't pay for a ticket.
Yeah.
It was for free. Because
you want to pay, and I said, hey, it's okay, it's costing
yeah, because it's a shuttle bus.
it's because
In the Halloween event, it was also free.
that's nice, no? Because if we need to pay, then
Yeah,
have a lot of money.
that's why we pay 40% of tax here in Germany. So, we are here. Oh, die haben ein Riesenrad.
Ich wollte das nicht.
Echt nicht?
A few moments later.
Dankeschön.
Guck mal hier die berühmten Socken, siehst du? Last year 10 Euro, now 12.
Das hat er 3 Euro.
Ja, ja, je. Süßigkeiten, Sweeties. Oh, it's not good for me as vegetarian. Oh, I love this. Colorado.
I thought it's not good for you.
Yeah, it's not more vegetarian.
There's no other day like Christmas for every little girl and boy. All the toys in the store, decorations.
Oh, a new bag for you. Hast du schon?
Ja, in Amsterdam gekauft.
Oh, guck mal, Jacke.
Für die Frauen.
For woman?
Ja.
Oh.
Wallet.
What is the price? 14 euros?
15.
15, yeah, I know. Habe ich gerade 40 gesagt?
Klein, schön.
Oh, das ist cute, yeah.
Not for the... Not quite.
It's for small, but this is real leather. It's not good for me as vegetarian.
Ja.
Yeah, mostly echt.
Ja, may ano ito po? Hala.
Yeah, we can go in the Ausstellungshalle, yeah. It's only for 3 days here, or 4 days.
4 days? But it's very big.
Yeah,
4 days lang
that's the reason, because it's one in a year. But I say for this market, pre-Christmas market, vor Weihnachtsmarkt, because you see a lot of Christmas things, and yeah, and I love it. But official is a autumn market.
Machen Sie die Tür.
Olli, guck mal, das ist cute.
exciting. Which girl?
Ist nicht echt.
Schade, das ist nicht echt Geld. Das kann auch 20 Euro bezahlen.
Mein Gott, du bist so... How is money?
Please give me.
My money!
Richtig gut.
Wow. Sieht schon cool aus. Massage. This is kite. This is for kitchen and for bathroom
Electronic.
and shoes. So much different things here, and you can buy a living room. This is a kind of weird. You can buy everything here in this pre-Christmas market.
Come in.
Oh, this is good for your daddies. He's just watching for Facebook again. He has 3 channels on Facebook. Please subscribe him. Oliver Kagas Gemecker.
I have Glühwein because it's the beginning. We have
Beginning a lot of Christmas. Cheers. And you want to make a...
If you drink Glühwein, it means
It means it's Christmas time. Yeah. And you want to make a photo for Uwe?
yeah, it is Glühwein.
Mach mal.
Wir machen zusammen. Yeah. Mit dein
Dark streets shine.
Schön. €6.50 with fund, and your was
€6 also.
€6.50. Yeah, I think €2 fund. Eee. Oh.
Try it.
Oh, das ist aber groß.
It's gross, no? Unten. Es gibt noch da unten.
Oh. We have Christmas. Huh? Yeah. I like this kind of bonbons. Mm. Du bist mein Stier. Ach, Stern. You are my star. Alpaca socks for €15, but in the front of in the start of the market there were for €12.
Ja?
Ja.
Soll es lohnen?
Ja.
Welche?
Schon wieder Handschuhe. Ich hab so lange. €25.
Oh, ich wollte neu kaufen. Weißt du lang?
Das ist Vollrind Ledergürtel. Do you have something like this in Philippines?
No.
No? This is a typical German building where you can buy nuts or popcorn. It's in every market here in Germany.
We don't have something like this.
It's in every market here in this kind of building.
Ja?
Du weißt das schon, du lebst seit 7 Jahren hier.
Ach so.
Do you need cheese?
Und mal in die Zeitung lesen, dann sing es. Gib den Kindern 10 Euro. Dann schreibst du ganz groß Allgäuer Bergkäse.
Allgäuer?
Ja.
The burnt
Oh, den kenne ich.
Yeah.
Oh, chains and rings. How much? 5 euros.
Yeah.
Ah, Minions. I love it.
This one.
Was ist das?
Minions. For the
Schlüsselanhänger for key.
5 Euro.
5 Euro. Was ist das?
Labubu.
Kenne ich nicht. I don't know.
Here,
this.
Naruto.
Hier, Mario, das kenne ich.
Here, Naruto.
Nintendo. I didn't know. I don't know.
Naruto?
I don't like Naruto.
Here, Mario.
Naruto was boring. I was Team Dragon Ball. I bought sugar-free anise bonbons. Sugar-free. I will try this now.
Now I want to get. Please put it back. I want to make a video. Please put it back.
Oh, das ist
Behind the
lecker.
scene. I want to try.
What do you say as Filipino? I love it. He don't like it.
What's das?
Lakritz. Lakritz in English. Nie wieder? Anise? You don't like anise? Oh, I love it. Please write in a comment. Are you team Lakritz or not? Oh, lecker. That's the same like Zimt or not, or Marzipan or not. Aber I'm Team Lakritz.
I have one, but I put it away because.
And I have so much more.
No, please, don't eat. I don't like.
Brauchst du jedes Jahr Massage?
Ihr habt viel Käse, oder?
Manche eher
Mein Gott.
Wäsche hat er. Ich genau gewusst, dass er sich verschätzt.
This is 100% Hanf. That's interesting. Oh, lambs. Blind. Blind kennt man. Did you know Brezel and pizza is the most fast food in Germany? We have in every corner in the inner cities, Frankfurt, Wiesbaden, Mainz, Berlin, every Brezel. No, Olli? yeah.
I don't really eat it.
I love it. It's my favorite. Geschafft? Da hat man Yoda.
So now you know.
Oh, siehst du, hättest du mal den Yoda versucht. Nie hörst du auf mich.
Erster Dank, zwei
Ah. May the force be with you. Nee, hier, ich will den Yoda.
Nein, ich wollte es nicht.
Bitte.
1 Euro, zweimal.
Ah. Einmal 2 Euro. Oder du machst zweimal 1 Euro Stücke rein. Du musst Minimum ist 2 Euro.
1 Euro,
1 Euro.
2 times, zweimal.
Ja. Because 2. €2. You need 2 Euro. What do you need to do there? Aha. Tja, das kann ja nicht funktionieren, das ist ja stumpf. I will buy this here, the socks. 15 euro.
I thought you want red.
They don't have red.
How much?
15.
2 euro. 2 pairs, 15 euro. Andere auch. Und dann andere.
Ihre zwei kosten 15 Euro.
Ja, aber verschiedene nicht gleiche.
Wow, friends, you're still here? Really? You're still here? Wow. I'm so impressive because my watch time is 4 or 5 minutes and you're still here, so that's a great
Engagement.
great engagement and
Yeah, great engagement.
yeah, engagement. Französisch. Engagement. Thank you so much. And if you are still here, then please hit the bell because it's good for the algorithm. Yeah.
Hey,
Always kidding this child.
hey.
Yeah, I will end this vlog now for today because
For real?
we are going now to the
Time.
Thai festival. You can see my next vlog because we are going there in the second day.
Yeah, we were last
And
night.
we were last night and we are going now again.
I want
because-
to make a little sneak peek, a little vlog there later. So
Yeah.
that's-
Because it was a little bit small, a pre-event yesterday, and today is the biggest event.
Yeah, that's why you need to pay for this concert. But I will not go there because I don't know the
Yeah, we just want to try to touch the culture. To touch the culture. Sorry for my English. I can speak German. It's better for me. So, enough of blah blah. Thank you for watching and thanks for your great engagement. Was denn?
enough for blah blah.
Blah. That was not a cinematic vlog, but I hoped you enjoyed.
Please like and comment down below. Oh, I'm here because of Oliver.
Here because of Olle. Yeah, I know. My last vlogs.
Just kidding.
No, my vlogs without you have always 200 or 300 views, and if you are in my vlogs, it's always 1,800 or more than 1,000.
No, please don't say that. I don't want to be.
But it is true. I don't. And that's okay. It's
Yeah,
okay.
but I don't want to take all the credits because that's all because of you also, not because of me. I don't want to take the credits.
You don't get credits from me. I
Credits-
pay enough for you.
Me, I'm not credit like credit and
Okay, nah, just kidding. I have fun with editing. I have fun with filming. I have fun to show you everything here in
I
Germany.
can see it in your eyes.
Yeah, no?
Yeah, your eyes.
And for me, it's also good because my English is getting better and I'm not playing computer games, so I'm outside. That's a win-win. No? Oliver Kagas. So please subscribe him as well. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.